Hi Michelle, today I'm going to be talking to you about graphs. What's a graph? This thing is a graph. A graph is a diagram. Now I have to tell you about the parts of a graph. Like, what do you look for in a graph? So there are two things that you have to look for when you look at this little diagram called a graph. There's something called the x-axis and the y-axis. So basically, there are two axes, right? The one that goes this way, and that's the x-axis, and then the one that goes this way, up and down, that's called the y-axis. So the one that goes across is x, remember, and then the one that goes up and down is y. Finally, I'm going to be talking to you about what is a coordinate. It is two numbers that represent where a point is in a graph. It has two numbers. So a coordinate is just a set of two numbers. So a coordinate is just two numbers. It could be any number. It could be 3, 2, 4, 7, 2, 3. Any pair of number is a coordinate. So I'm going to be talking to you about the two numbers and what they say. The first number tells you which one of these x's you should look at. The second number, it tells you which one of these y's you should look at. So like I said, the coordinate has two numbers. You have one number, right? And then you have the other number. And it's separated by a comma. You have two numbers. So what do these numbers tell you? One of these numbers tell you which x to look at, and then the second number tells you which y to look at. Remember, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. If I told you the two numbers was 2 and 3, this is how you're going to find out where this is supposed to go. First, you're going to find 2 on the x. Okay, you're like, okay, this is 2, this is the x-axis, and this is 2. The second number I'm supposed to look at is 3. So if I look at the y-axis, which is here, I'm like, okay, 3 is here. So if I go up, oh, I found 3. I found the 3 on the y. So this must be 2, 3. If I told you, for example, what if you don't look at this? What if I told you to like find 1, 2? First, you're gonna find out 1 on the x, which is here, and you're gonna find 2 on the y, right? 1. You found the 1 on the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the 1. And you have to go up until you hit 2. Oh, there's 2. There's 2 on the y-axis. So that's where the point is going to be. You understand? So hopefully that made some sense. Now I'm gonna ask you, okay, what if I told you this point is here? This point is here. Where is this point? Can you give me the two numbers, the coordinates? Yes, of course you could do that. And this is how you would do it. First, you would look at the x-axis, right? And you would match it. You would go down, and find 4. Remember, you always look at the x-axis first. You look at the x-axis first, you find 4, and you say, oh, 4 must be the first number because the first number tells you what's the x. So the first number is 4. And then you look at the point again, and you're like, okay, now I need to find y. So I go across, and then I find, oh, 4 on the y-axis. So the coordinate for this point is actually 4, 4. Okay, now let's look at your problem. Your problem says, here's a line. You have a line on this graph. Which one of these points is not on the graph? Or which one of these is on the graph? That's the question. So what we're going to do is find out where are these points. So you find the point 1, 2. The first number is 1, so you find 1 on the x here. And then you find 2 on the y. And you go up, 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 up. Oh, here's 2. It's right here. But if you look closely, it's not on the line. So let's try another one. That's not on the line. The second one says 2, 0. So you go to 2. The first number is 2. So find 2 on the x-axis, 2, and then 0. Up, up, oh wait, it's right here. The 0 is right here. So this is this. This isn't really on the line. Nope, not right. So you look at 3, you look at C, and you're like, okay, 3, 2. Find 3. Then you go up, 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 up until you hit 2 and you stop. No, not really. This isn't really on this line, so nope. I hope this is it because it better be it. So D, 8, 6. Find 8 on the x-axis. The first number is 8. Find 8, then you go up, 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 until you hit 6, and damn! Bam! This is on the line. This is on the line. So this is your answer. There you go, Michelle. That's your answer. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.